This is day 3 on Thelma. Still sneezing. She's eating, drinking, pooping good. Seems totally fine except the sneezing, which worries me. Yeah, I'm talking about you. I am giving her a vet RX, some oregano oil, some apple cider in her water, some vitamins in her food. So I will keep you guys posted. She seems okay, I just don't want it to get worse. I will probably treat her for about 10 days before considering giving her antibiotics. I don't like to give antibiotics to my chickens, but if it has to do for her health, then I will do so.